Hello my students, how are you? Grade 3, today we'll explain from Bonny book. Monthly revision of February and March. First model, number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 7 times 12 equals 7 times 9 plus what? We used here distributive properties. Look at here, 7 product by 12 is 7 product by 9 plus what? We know 12 equal 9 plus 3. Write 3 here, okay? Listen, 7 was repeating. 12 equivalent to 9 plus 3. Just after 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the answer will be letter D. Write 3 here in the space. Next question. What is the fraction that represents shadowed part here? Look at here. Colored one part from 4 parts. The result will be 1 over 4. 1 part colored from 4 parts. So the following. Jana baked 45 layers of bread and wanted to share them with 5 of her friends. How many layers will each friend get? We can divide 45 by 5. We know 5 times 9 is 45. Then 45 divided by 5 is 9. The number of layers of bread, it will be 9. 9 leaves. Okay. Next question. Find the result of 7 plus 14 using the different method. First method, write 7 product by 14. 7 here. Write 14 equivalent to 10 plus 4 and use distributive properties. 7 product by 10 and also 7 times 4. 7 times 10 is 20 and 4 times 7 is 28. And then we can collect 8 plus 0 equal 8 and 7 plus 2 is 9. It's the first method, but other solution here you can use it. We can write 7 product by 14 from right hand side. 4 times 7 is 28. Write 8 at the carry of 2. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then we have two methods to find the answer using distributive properties, or we can use direct multiplication logarithm. Next question. Find the perimeter of rectangle with length 8 cm and width 4 cm. We know perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. We have two dimensions here, length and width. Then the perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. Then the perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. Length was 8 cm and width was 4. The perimeter equivalent 2 times the sum of 8 and 4 is 12. 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 24 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle twice the sum of length and width. Malik put 6 figs in basket, while Mazin put 10 figs in another basket. Which is larger, half of Malik baskets or half of Mazin baskets? We can write half of 6. Half of 6 equal half product by 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then half of 6 figs, it will be 3 figs. And what about half of 10? Half of 10 equivalent to half of 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then we know 6 less than 10. Then half of 6 less than half of 10. Okay. He asked about which is the larger. Larger will be half of 10. With what? With Mazin. Mazin has a larger. Mazin is the larger. Okay. Understood? Because half of 10 greater than 6. Model number 2. 16 divided by 2 equal what? 16 divided by what equal 2? We know 2 times 8 equals 16. Then 16 divided by 8 equal 2. You can write 8 here in the space. Next question. 1 over 4 greater than what? Look at here. 1 over 4 greater than here. We have like numerator. If we have like numerator, then the smallest value in the numerator give me the high value of the fraction. 1 over 4 greater than what? Who can tell me 1 over 4 greater than 1 over 8? Yes, 1 over 8. 1 over 4 greater than 1 over 8 because we have like numerator. If we have like numerator, then the small value in the numerator give me the high value of the result by the other fraction. 1 over 4 greater than 1 over 8. Next question. Find the result 36 divided by 3 using your preferred strategy. You can write 36 divided by 3 from left hand side. 3 divided by 3 equal 1 and 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Or you can draw bar models here and divide it by 3 parts. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, you can use bar models to find the answer. Estimate the product of 9 plus 5, then find the actual result. Then we can find the estimate 9 times 5 is nearest to what? Nearest to 5 nearest product by 9 to nearest to 50 because 9 nearest to 10. 10 times 5 is 50. And what about 9 times 5 is the actual number would be 45. 5 times 9 is 45. Next example. Layla put 24 seeds and has 5 boots. She wants to plant 3 seeds each pot. How many extra boots does she need to plant all seeds? The steps with me here. First step, we can find the number of all boots that Layla needs. 24 divided by 3 equal 8 boots. Okay, 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Then she need 8 boots, but she has 5 only. Then 8 minus 5 equals 3. Understood؟ فاهمين يا حبايبي؟ يبقى هو هنا هشرح لكم، ركز معايا. ليلى كان معاها 24 سيتس اللي هو البذور، عايزين ايه؟ توزعها في بليت او بوتس او عيه مثلا. فكل واحده هتوضع فيها كام؟ هي بيقول لي ان كل بليت هيبقى فيها 3. كل بليت يبقى 3، فانت هتاخد ال 24 divided by 3 يديك 8. انت محتاج 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. يبقى انت محتاج 8 بلوتس، بس انت لكن هي معاها بس she has 5 بوتس only. يبقى هنا محتاجه قد ايه كمان؟ محتاجه كمان 3 بوتس. فاهم؟ يبقى هي هتوضع في كل بوت 3، هنا 3 وهنا 3 هنا 3، يبقى 24 divided by 3 equal 8. يبقى هي محتاجه 8 بوتس. طب هي مش عندها الا 5 بس، يبقى محتاجه كمان اكسترا. she need extra بوتس. الاكسترا بوتس اللي تحتاجها اللي هم 3. فهمتوا؟ طيب next question. How many equal parts that shaded in the front if you divide it into? We divide it to 3 parts. Then each part will be 1 over 3 third. How many equal parts here? We have 3 equal parts. Right here, 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Next model. Anna has 24 apples. She divided the apples equally into 6 plates. How many apples are on each plate? We can divide it 24 by 6. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then she need 4 plate. Choose letter C. Next question. Number of sixes in whole number it will be 6. 1 equal 6. 66. Okay, 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 sixes. Okay, the answer will be 6. Choose 6. Letter D. 6 sixes. Answer the following. Find the side of length of square whose perimeter 20 centimeter. We have 4 sides of a square. We can find the side length, right? 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 equal 5. The length will be 5 meter because the perimeter equals side times 4. 4 times what equal 20? 4 times 5. Then the side length will be 5 meter. Next question. Here has 4 boxes. Each box contains 3 dolls. Each doll has 2 buttons. What is the total number of buttons? We can write 4 product by 3 product by 2. We can use the here countable bits or associative directly. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, then the number of buttons will be 24 buttons. 24 buttons. Next question. Solve the following to find the unknown here. We have 2 times 5 product by what equal 50. We know 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 times 5 equal 50. Right here 5. Okay, then the missing number here, write 5 in the space, write 5. Which is smaller, 1 over 3 or 1 over 5? He won't find the smaller. We have like numerator 1 and 1, then the highest value in the numerator give me the smaller value of the fraction. 1 over 5 is less than 1 over 3, then the answer here will be 1 over 5, it's the smaller. Okay, next model, choose the correct answer. If 8 counting times are divided into quarter, each quarter equal of 8 seems equal. We can divide it 8 by 4. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the letter is the solution, letter E. 3 over 7 greater than what? The direct question here. 3 over 7 greater than what? We can write 3 here. Write number in the numerator greater than 7. Like 8. Where is the number? Yes, letter D. Write 3 over 8. 3 over 7 is greater than 3 over 8 because we have like numerator. In the smaller value in the numerator will give me the high value of the fraction. 3 over 7 greater than 3 over 8. Choose letter D. Next question. Second, find the length of rectangle whose perimeter 24 meter and width 5 meter. Okay, we can find the length like the rule, length equal perimeter divided by 2 subtract by width, or you can write this rule, half of perimeter subtract by width. Okay, you can use this rule or this rule. Okay, half of perimeter 24 divided by 2 is 12, right? 12 subtract by 5, 12 subtract by 5 equals 7, then the result will be 7 meter. Understood? Next question, divide the clock into thirds. Okay, we can divide it here. We know the third of clock going to 4, and also here we have 4, 5 here, and 3, 2 and 1 is 12, 11, 10, 9. We have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Like this. From 8 and 4 we can divide it to 3 parts like this. Draw from 12 to this point, and 0 to 4, and 0 to 8. Find the result using preferred strategy. We can use commutative and associative properties. 4 product by 5 product by 2. Write brackets here, and then write 4 product 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 times 4 is 40. And the answer here will be 40. Next question. Use the number line to determine which is greater, 1 over 5 or 1 over 4. We can use here number line like this. Through 2 number lines. We have 1 over 5, write 0 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, 5 over 5 equal 1. And what about 0 over 4? 1 over 4. Which more? He wants to combine between which more? 1 over 5 or 1 over 4? We have 1 over 4 is greater. Okay, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, and 4 over 4. Then 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 5. We can use number line like this to combine between two numbers. 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 5. Next question. 1 over 5 of the number 15 equal fifths of 15, it meaning 15 divided by 5 equal 3. The result will be 3. Choose letter E. Next question. Well, divided 21 oranges among 7 apples. What is each person share? We can write 21 divided by 7. The result will be 3. 3 apples. 3 apples or 3 oranges. We have oranges, okay? 21 oranges. Next example here, Darwin. A square has side length 7 meter. Find the perimeter. We know square has 4 sides. Since the perimeter equal 4 product by the side lengths. 4 times 7 equal 28 meter. Next question. Find the result of the following using associative properties. 7 product by 4, product by 5. We can use associative properties. Write 7 here and 4 times 5, 20. Write 0 and 2 times 7 equal 14. The result will be 140. Next question. Range from smallest to greatest. The smallest number here you can write 1 over 9, and then 1 over 7, 1 over 5, 1 over 3, because you want a range from smallest to greatest. We have like numerator, then the greatest value in numerator give me the high value of the fraction. The smaller, again, we have 1 over 9, the greater value in denominator give me the smaller value of the fraction, okay? Then 1 over 9 less than 1 over 7, less than 1 over 5, less than 1 over 3, okay? Next question down here. Write the name of the fraction here. We have one part colored from how many parts? 6 parts. 1 over 6. Okay, write the name of the fraction that represents shaded part in the opposite figure. 6's. We have here 6's. Okay.